Generating traffic to your website can be easy if you know the little secrets about how to drive massive volumes of traffic at no cost. This video presents some secret ways through which you can easily boost traffic to your website. 1. Have your own website's discussion board or forum, and invite people to visit and participate on your forum. This generates traffic to your website, and all the posts on your website's forum will help to improve your search engine's position, which will boost traffic to your website. People who visit your forum will also visit your website, hence driving massive amounts of volume to your website. 2. Offer an e-zine on your website and invite people to subscribe to your free e-zine. When people subscribe, they will give in their email address. Every time they read your e-zine, it will remind them to return to your site since you will have your website URL in your e-zine. 3. Invite people to bookmark your website. This is particularly effective if you have high-quality content on your website, which makes people want to spend more time reading all the useful content on your site. Give away free content to other webmasters for them to add on their websites. By allowing your visitors and other webmasters to use your articles on their own website or in their e-zine, including your resource box, you are effectively advertising your website through their websites. In addition, allow your visitors to give away your online freebies, and these will include your website URL, thus effectively multiplying your traffic. 4. You can also ask your website visitors to refer your website to their friends who may benefit from visiting your website. This will increase traffic to your website. 5. Invite your visitors to sign your guest book. When people sign your guest book, they may give you valuable feedback that will help you to improve your website. This in turn will help you increase traffic to your website by providing a useful website. 6. Offer an affiliate program. Having hundreds of affiliates advertising your website is an effective way of generating traffic to your website. 7. Give some testimonials or product reviews including your website URL to websites that get high volumes of traffic. By having a testimonial on a website that is visited by thousands of people, you are getting free publicity and free advertising and traffic for your website. Use the secret tips outlined above to easily generate high volumes of traffic to your website and boost your online profits. Thanks for watching.